In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix you've reached your monthly limit of new chat messages on WhatsApp. So if you're facing this error, there are basically various ways to fix it. First of all, what you can do is check for the updates in WhatsApp. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for WhatsApp. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and this error should be fixed. Now you should be able to send the new chat messages. But still, if your problem is not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for WhatsApp and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, manage space, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you can do is simply open the WhatsApp application. Now after that, that problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the WhatsApp and install it again. After you do that, your problem will be solved and you'll be able to send new messages. So that is how you've reached your monthly limit of new chat messages on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.